The AI gold rush is hitting a wall. China just built a deep ultraviolet lithography machine that threatens ASML's monopoly, and the market is panicking. The Nasdaq 100 is sliding. The Kospi is plunging. SK Hynix is down 47% from its all-time high despite record earnings. BlackRock warned that profit levels may not be sustainable as cheaper AI models from China reshape the economics. This isn't just a market correction, it's a structural shift. 80% of future financing for the AI ecosystem comes from external capital markets, and credit spreads are widening. The triple threat of price, positioning, and competition is hitting the sector hard. For indie builders in Morocco and the MENA region, this is both a warning and an opportunity. The warning: don't bet your future on US megacap tech stocks. The easy money phase is over. The opportunity: cheaper AI models mean lower barriers to entry. You can now build AI applications without needing expensive infrastructure. Chinese competition is driving down costs, which benefits builders who can move fast. Here are 3 moves to consider right now. 1. Diversify your AI stack. Don't rely solely on US-based APIs. Explore open-source models and Chinese alternatives. Build with multiple backends to avoid vendor lock-in and reduce costs. 2. Focus on application layer value. The infrastructure layer is commoditizing. The real money is in solving specific problems for local markets: Arabic language processing, local logistics, fintech for the unbanked. Build applications that leverage cheap AI to deliver high-value services. 3. Hedge your portfolio. If you're invested in tech, consider rebalancing towards value stocks, international equities, or even crypto. The market is signaling that the AI bubble may be deflating. The emergence of Chinese lithography is a game-changer. It means chip production costs will drop, accelerating the commoditization of AI hardware. For builders, this is a tailwind. For investors, it's a headwind. The financing crunch is real. With 80% of AI companies relying on external capital, a tightening credit market means many will fail. This creates acquisition opportunities for savvy builders. Keep cash reserves and look for distressed assets. China's lithography breakthrough is a direct challenge to US export controls. It means the chip supply chain is fragmenting. For builders, this could lead to cheaper hardware and more options. But it also means geopolitical risk. Diversify your supply chain. Market psychology is shifting. When good news, like UPS raising guidance, is ignored and bad news triggers sell-offs, it's a sign of fatigue. The AI trade is crowded. Be contrarian, look for value in